Well, I was sorting through things. There was a loud explosion, and it sure looks like and acted like a transformer blew. There appears to be some kind of backup power because this light behind me is still on, and there's some indicator lights on the heating cooling unit. But other than that, all the lights in this meet it. But I know even like the street lamps are on different. Somebody rolling past outside, but I don't get it. It does kind of sound and act like a transformer blew or something. But if I don't get full power tonight, I don't pay full price. There's somebody milling around outside the. I heard a loud, it sounded like it was up off the ground. It sounded like a transformer blowing. So I really don't know what's happening right now other than TV. All the lights went out, except for that one up there that appears to be some kind of an emergency system or something, which means I don't get to bathe. And like I said, I'll let you know. Oh, it was a pretty loud bang. Either maybe a vehicle hit a telephone pole or something, but we're not getting full power right now. It didn't sound like a collision. It sounded like a transformer blowing. Bear in mind that even in Pflugerville, the street lamps and the building electricity is two different circuits. I've watched transformers. I watched a big transformer blow there, and all the buildings go out, but the street lamps are still on. So I see one in the distance; it's still on, but I think all the lights in the I don't know, and at the moment I don't care. I'll check you later.